Huzur, in Surah 16, Ayat 122, describe Hazrat Abraham as extremely grateful to the bounties of Allah. What is the background of it? Why has he been specially mentioned in this?
Translate it first into Arabic, because she asked this question in English. So translate it into Arabic first.
So the verse she has referred is like this, the two verses. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Inna Ibrahima kana ummatan qanitan lillahi hanifa walam yaku minal mushrikeen shakiran li'anumihi ijtabahu wa hadahu ila sirati mustaqim. Translation is, Abraham was indeed a paragon of virtue, obedient to Allah, ever inclined to him, and he was not of those who set up equals to God. Grateful for his favors, he chose him and guided him to a straight path.
Question is,
What is the background of it? Why he has been specially mentioned?
first of all, this translation is not literally applicable.
Yes. Should I read this one? Translate. Yes. Abraham was a nation unto him, always obedient to Allah, to him ever inclined, certainly not belonging to the idolaters.
Means nation.
Yes.
And because he was the father of so many nations of the world, that he was told that like the particles of sands, his progeny will spread all over the world. So that is why this should have been translated as Ummah. It can be metaphorically translated as paragon of virtue, all right. But literal meaning is far more important. That is why I have written a note here, that literally it means he was an Ummah in himself, although he was a single person. But in him he had the seeds of so many nations that were spread all over the world and will not be counted like the sand, particles of sand. See? So, if this is the answer, then what other question would you like to ask about it?
What is the background of it and why he has been specially mentioned as so grateful to the...
I have already mentioned this background, that because he himself, although was a single person, but in him he had the seeds of all the nations of the world. And particularly because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was to appear from among his progeny, so this would cover the whole world. So this is why this verse is so important in its literal sense, that instead of paragon of virtue, it should have been translated as a nation unto himself. Right now?